Hello everybody, Mugabimran here with another affiliate marketing tutorial, and in this video we are going to look at Impact Radius. It's one of those huge affiliate marketplaces you need to know as an affiliate marketer. You might already know about ClickBank, Share a Sale, maybe CJ. CJ is the commission junction. Now in this video we are looking at Impact Radius. To sign up for Impact Radius you need to go to impact.com. You'll be able to sign up with your Facebook, your Twitter, or your LinkedIn account. So for me, I already have an account with email address, so I'm going to use my username and my password to log in. So once you log in, this is like your dashboard. So from your dashboard, you can be able to see the available balance, the upcoming balance, the approved balance. And by the way, if you want to withdraw your money, you need to go to settings and set up your account number, your bank account, maybe your ID. Now from the same dashboard you can be able to see how many clicks, how many sales you have made, and within like a period of up to 1 year. Anyway, so the most important part of the dashboard is the links right here. If you click on this drop down, these are some of the affiliate programs that I have joined. These are some of the affiliate programs that have accepted me as their affiliate marketer. Okay, so if you notice, we have things like, we have very huge companies here like Namecheap, we have Teachable, if you know that, for selling your courses, online courses. We have Namecheap, we have LinkedIn Learning, InMotion, HubSpot, Hostinger, Deathwish, Coffee Company, Canva.com, Bluehost, and many other huge companies. If I select any of these companies, I get their affiliate link to start promoting this product, to start sending traffic to this website. You can notice the link down there. You can even share it directly from here to social media channels. What you need to go is go to brands and apply. Select the brand of your choice in your industry, apply to the program, and once you have been accepted, you'll get a notification in this on the left hand side right here. You get a notification whether you have been accepted or whether your application has been declined. Okay, now I think that's pretty much the basics of Impact Radius. One trick that we can look at is creating short links or shortening your affiliate links. You can use any link shortener of your choice. For me, I mostly use Bitly as my link shortener, and you can see I already have some of the links that have been shortened. Be sure to try out the links. Click on those links and see if they are actually working. You don't want to send traffic to a link that is broken. Okay, so that's how it works. So I hope it helps, and if it does, please make sure to hit the like button and share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one.